That's 0 for Foxtrot, number 2, false citation, mile final, runway 21, cleared to land.
Number 2, clear to land, 0 for Foxtrot, looking for traffic. Traffic in sight, 0 for Foxtrot.
That's 0 for Foxtrot, Scott Tower. I see your problems. Continue in a right close, correction, left close traffic for now. So that's 27, take a maintain at about 3,500.
3,500, you can take it.
Air sure. 361, Scott Tower.
Do I maintain right traffic?
So 0 for Foxtrot, make left traffic.
Making left traffic, 0 for Foxtrot.
Airship 361 Scott Tower, if you're on, go around. Fly straight up for now.
Go around. Scottsdale Tower, 0 for Foxtrot. I must have hit a sign or something. My left gear is off, and I'm with the student solo. I'm not sure what to do.
Just 0 for Foxtrot, just orbit for now. I'll keep all the other aircraft out of the way and stand by. Jerk 30 Juliet, exit the class Delta to the north and remain outside, stand by.
Tower, do you want 2 Delta Foxtrot to go to the north?
Second.
Do you want 2 Delta Foxtrot to depart the Delta?
So 2 Foxtrot, affirmative. Depart to the north and just remain outside class Delta for now, stand by.
I will go to the north, 2 Delta Foxtrot.
Scottsdale ground, foam and engine 609 state.
Foam 609 and engine 609, thanks for your help. Just stand by. I'll get you more information momentarily. ATP Scottsdale Tower, are you on frequency?
And CESSNA 04 Foxtrot, we're trying to get a hold of your flight school to see what they would like you to do. So Cessna 04 Foxtrot, you can just continue in left circuits for now, at or above 3,000. We're asking your flight school what they would like you to do. So just for now, stand by if you have the, and just say your fuel on board if you have it.
Looks like I have 10 gallons. Copy that, 04 Foxtrot.
Airport Ops, are you able to get a hold of ATP?
Yeah, we can try. Stand by.
All right, it's a student solo from ATP and he doesn't know what to do, so we need assistance from them.
Roger, Airport Ops.
Airport, foam 609 Scottsdale Tower.
Scottsdale ground, foam 609.
Foam 609, just be advised it is a student solo on frequency who's having this alert. We asked him his fuel, and he says he has 10 gallons, which I'm assuming he probably has more than that. We don't know his intentions yet because he doesn't know what his intentions are. It's a student solo.
Scottsdale ground, foam 609 copy. We have a student solo with maybe 10 gallons of fuel on board.
And foam 609, just be advised there's only one person on board of the aircraft.
Scottsdale ground, foam 609, one soul on board.
Okay, foam 60 or Airport Ops, do you have a phone number for them? I don't have one easily available.
Yeah, we don't need it either. We're looking for one.
Okay, thank you. Are there any VFR ATP students on ground frequency that would be able to give me your phone number?
And any ATP aircraft on frequency?
27
Are there any else?
27 Tango ATP.
Do you have the number to the flight school?
For ATP?
Affirmative.
I don't have, I can find our number. I don't think that is one of ours though. I think that's Western.
Roger.
Scottsdale Tower,
So 0 Foxtrot, or if you can just fly normal patterns, just orbit over the runway. Cessna 04 Foxtrot, so just, you can overfly the runway, and I'll call your crosswind.
will you explain Scottsdale Tower 04 Foxtrot?
So 04 Foxtrot, just basically make a low approach over the runway.
Low closed over runway 4 Foxtrot. Scottsdale ground, foam 609. Do you guys have a location?
Foam 609, they're circling in the pattern currently. Stand by. It looks like they're at 2800 turning finals, but they're just overflying the runway until we know what to do.
Can we get the pilot to do a flyby, low flyby, so we can see what's going on? And have we confirmed which landing gear is missing?
Foam 609, we know it's the left main landing gear, but we can have him do a low approach so we can see.
Cessna 04 Foxtrot, after this flyover, make a right traffic for 21.
Make it a right traffic for 21, 04 Foxtrot.
Foam 609, that was the aircraft that just passed over the runway.
Scottsdale ground, Airport Command.
Airport Command, Scottsdale ground.
Do we have a plan yet for how he's going to try to attempt this landing with that missing gear?
We are trying to work on that now. I'm on the line with trying to get a hold of ATP now.
Okay, we'll go ahead and stand by. How much fuel does he have, and can we confirm that?
We're not exactly sure. It's a student solo. Last we heard, he said 10 gallons.
Okay, do we have any idea of, with 10 gallons of fuel, how long he's good for in the air?
I have no idea, and like I said, he's a student solo, so we aren't able to get that much information out of him. He's unaware of his situation.
Airport Command, copy. Stand by.
Airport Ops, are you able to drive down to the ATP hangar and have someone call us right now? The number we got is a 1-800 number that's taking us to an indirect phone.
Roger, I'll see if I can find someone, but there's no guarantee anyone's there.
Well, I'm assuming there would be an instructor there since he is a solo. The instructors normally are somewhere near their vicinity.
Roger, Airport Ops.
And Cessna 04 Foxtrot. Do you want to wait for your flight school to get back to us, or say intentions?
04 Foxtrot, I'm not sure what to do without one of my landing gear. I'm not
So 04 Foxtrot, Roger, I understand. We're still trying to get a hold of them. So 9404 Foxtrot, which flight school are you with?
It's Socorro, or Sequoia. It's with Wes Hogel is my instructor. 04 Foxtrot. Tower mine, clear to land, 04 Foxtrot.
This is 04 Foxtrot. Just overfly the runway one more time. We're going to get your instructor on the frequency to assist you with the landing.
Copy that, 04 Foxtrot.
Airport Ops, Scottsdale ground.
Go ahead, ground.
Airport Ops, I need you to drive down to the Ross Gray buildings and pick up the flight instructor of the student solo. He's waiting for you down there. We need to get you and him on the radio so we can formulate a plan.
Roger, Airport Ops.
Expedite, please.
Scottsdale Tower, this plane's doing a lot of weird things. I'm not sure what to do. 04 Foxtrot.
That's 04 Foxtrot. Able, just climb, maintain 2,500 and continue in right circuits. The airport office is just about to pick up your instructor so that he can help you. So just go around, climb, maintain at about 2,500 if able. If not, runway 3, you are cleared to land if you'd like to attempt it. The wind 3107 goes 14.
I'm going to attempt to land 04 Foxtrot.
Just for Foxtrot, wind 3106 goes 14.
Foam 609, you may proceed to the aircraft at your discretion.
So 04 Foxtrot, shut down the plane, exit for the phone vehicles, and great job.
Fantastic job.
And for all the aircraft at the end, it's going to be a few minutes. The aircraft did land safely. We're just going to get all spot checks done.
And all aircraft waiting at the end. It's going to be a few minutes. The aircraft did land safely, and the pilot is out of the aircraft.
Anyway, holding at the end, it's probably going to be a significant delay. If you want to go back to parking, just advise ground. Probably get a partial runway opening so we can taxi you guys if we need to.
Scottsdale ground, foam 609. We have a emergency unit that's going to be crossing the runway.
Foam 609, roger. The runway and taxiways are closed at this time, and they are your control.
Can you give me an idea of where he touched down? I wasn't aware he was in when he did. I was the flight instructor.
Yeah, actually, we weren't aware of that either. I was talking to the flight instructor, and all of a sudden the tower controller said, he's deciding to land. So I think he put it down just a bit by about between Alpha 4 and Alpha 5 was like the first touchdown, but then also his wheel is down by Alpha 10.
Okay, roger that. All right.